Okay, so today I am finishing welding up the front on this thing, and we're ripping the steering off and changing it to an actual rack and pinion steering.
The direct steering was just ridiculous.
The direct steering was too scary.
Sorry guys, I lost footage again on making the rack holder.
Hey guys, so had to do some extensive modifications to the TRIKE. The one-on-one steering was horrible, so right now I'm locking up a basic friggin' rack. And it was cheap on Amazon. Unfortunately, it was a shitty make, so I had to make a big heavy-duty bracket to hold it and keep it from breaking, which you can see here. Should hold up, I think. Anyway, so right now I'm at the point I got my rack on my bracket made up. As you can see, I'm kind of got it half assembled here, and I'm just aligning my center, trying to find my center, and then once I do that, I'm going to tackling steering wheel. Hopefully it'll be in the right place. Anyway, we'll see. Let's do it step by step. Yeah. Step by step.
Cutting a piece of the old to weld onto the new to get proper length. Carefully tack together, making sure the piece is straight.
Good morning guys. So today I am just straightening out my one tire here on my rack. So I got my rack centered. This tire is good. For some reason this one's short even though my measurements are all the same. So I'm just gonna adjust my right so that I got a slight toe in. And yeah, once I'm done that, we're gonna rejet the carbs so that we can go fast, and hopefully change out these shocks so we got good shocks in the front, and yeah, hopefully get a nice send-up video here with it working properly. So time to get to work. So this is the TRIKE first start with the exhaust opened up and heard. It might stay. If it shoots out. Okay. On choke is on. Okay. Here we go. Oh.
The smoke is from oil burning in the new exhaust pipe. Rejetting 90 to 100 to start. works so much better. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Send it and save money.